we are going to do some of the questions on this means numericals on this chapter. Okay, and then in the next Friday it will be test. Okay, of this chapter. Fine. ROI, because it has got completed, and we'll be having test on next Friday. Okay, and so let's do this question. Which question? Let's do 8th question. Okay. Can you do this first? You try, and then I will do if you won't able to do this question. Okay. Okay, Safia, are you there? Safia, are you there?
Yes.
Okay. So do this question. If you would not be able to do, then just ask me. Are you doing, Safia?
Yeah, ma'am. I started it.
Are you able to do, Safia?
Yes, ma'am. I got the focal length as minus 9.6 centimeter and the magnification as minus 4. And
You have got f as minus 9.6 centimeter.
yeah,
Okay. And magnification as?
it's minus 4. And the mirror will be a concave mirror.
Yes, concave mirror will be. And how far is the image from the object?
It's 36 centimeter.
36 centimeter. And draw a ray diagram to show the image formation in this case. Have you drawn that?
I'm drawing it right now.
Yeah, it's important. So you try it. Is it done?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you send it to me?
Yeah, okay.
Is it done, Safia?
Yeah, I sent it to you.
Oh. This is 9.6 centimeter. Your focal length and the object distance seem to be the same from the arrow. So okay, it's a rough diagram. Yes, fine.
Yeah, are the answers correct?
Yes, answers are correct. Okay, so have you done these questions of the assignment of this 5.1 V3? Have you done all of the questions from this assignment?
No, not all of them.
Not all of them. Okay, so here. Which question do you want me? Is there any question that you got stuck in among those which you have tried? Yes, Safia?
No.
No.
I didn't know. I don't understand how to do the numericals on the lateral shift.
Means you haven't understood the numericals of this of the lens.
Yeah.
You may. I mean, among these, you haven't tried any one of them. So you are going to use the formula. This we say yes. This is the lens formula, right? 1 by b minus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f. This formula and the formula for magnification, that is v by u. M is equal to v by u. As in case of mirror, it was minus v by u. So in case of lens, it will be V by U. Okay, magnification will be V by U. And in case of a mirror, the mirror formula was what? 1 by V plus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. But in case of lens, it will be 1 by V minus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. Okay. And the last question that we were doing, I guess this was the question or something. Yes, this was only the question that we were doing. No, you were there in the last class, right? Right, Safia? When we were doing this
Yeah.
question, I guess this only this was the question, or was there any other question? I'm not sure about it. Yeah, this was the question. So we had to use this formula, and what we were doing the mistake, we were not putting here minus 27. We were just putting here 27. This is why our answer was coming to be wrong. Okay. So when we after the class, I realized here, I rechecked my question, my solution, and I saw that I haven't put the value of this u as minus 27. I had only put the value for u as 27. So that is so our answer was not coming to be correct. Okay. So once we will put the correct value of u, then we will get the correct answer. Okay. What you are not trying to understand? Can you let me know? I mean, the formula or how to do the questions. Is there something? Should I take any one of the examples from this assignment so that you can understand? Sophia?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, which question should I take then? Should I take the 16th one? 16th one would be easy, I guess.
Mom, I understand these focal length and the ray diagram numericals. I understand those.
Mhm. Then
Can you explain the lateral shift?
lateral displacement. This lateral displacement. This only you are talking about, right? Refraction, and this after this lateral displacement. So lateral displacement is what? This is something like, this is the lateral, like a ray is passing, an incident ray has come. Okay, can you see this diagram? Yeah, an
Yeah.
incident ray comes towards the slab, making an angle something like I. Okay, and this is your normal. Fine, this is your normal. So making an angle I, and then what it does? It gets
It gets
refracted.
refracted.
Okay, it gets refracted and making another angle because it bends towards the normal. Why? Because its experiences another medium, right? The denser medium than that of the previous previous medium. Okay, means if the previous medium, if the first medium is rarer than the second medium, then the ray that is coming towards the second medium, it will go what, it will come towards the, it will bend towards the normal. Fine, it will bend towards the normal. And if the first medium is denser and the second medium is rarer to which the light is coming, then after refraction, the light will bend away from the normal. The light will bend in such a way that it will go away from the normal, making another angle of refraction. It will be what? Angle of refraction. This will be your angle of refraction. That this angle it has made, and it has got refracted from this point. From this point, right? So this will make the angle of refraction this red one. Okay. Okay, so this will be your angle, this will be your I, this will be your R, this will be your angle of incidence, and this will be your angle of refraction. Okay, and then it travels through the same path all through this medium, and then after when it comes outside the second medium, means again to the first medium, then what it will experience, it will experience the same the just opposite things as that in the first case, that it will go far from the normal. This is your normal. Okay, this is your normal. It will go far from the normal, right? It will go far from the normal because now this is your denser medium in which it has in which the incidental ray had come, and then after traveling through a certain distance inside the denser medium, it will again come to the rarer medium, and it will experience what? The after refraction, the light the ray the light ray will go away from the normal because this is the air, which is the rarer medium than that of the earlier medium. Okay, so And when you will join this line, no, when you will means like when you will draw this, when you'll draw this line, like incident ray, this incident ray, you'll join this like this, and the emergent ray, the distance between this incident ray and the emergent ray, this is actually called the lateral displacement. This is called the lateral displacement, the perpendicular distance between the emergent ray and the incident ray. Means incident ray is actually this if you will uh, in meet this line, okay, meet this line here, and then you will get what, these two lines parallel, emergent ray and the incident ray, and the perpendicular distance between these two lines will be, these two rays will be what, the lateral displacement. Actually uh, the object has got displaced, the light ray has got displaced from this to this much of distance. Okay, in actual we should see the object here, we should see the object here, but in actual we see the light gets refracted here, the light gets refracted from this point to here, and strikes this another surface of the second medium at this point, so we can see the object here. Okay, okay, and now what we have to do here, here see, see here, we can do this question. This actually, this is not in the course how we are going to do what derive what will be the lateral displacement. This actually was in the ICSC, is in the ICSC course, so I made you understand this thing. But also, if you are saying you have not understood, then I will repeat it. Okay, so from triangle, this one is let's see how we have derived it. From triangle ABC, this is your A. Where is the triangle? Where is our triangle? So this is our related P. We have to derive this, right? We have to derive this formula, T sine I minus R by cos R. Okay, so this is let's assume this as A. Okay, we can take. Okay, fine. Let's assume this. First, see, see this distance. No, T is what? T is what? T is the thickness of the glass slab. Okay, this is our thickness. This is the thickness of our glass slab. This is the T. Okay, or you say this BD, this you are seeing as B, and this you are seeing at D. I have just made it made a perpendicular distance between these two. So this will be what, this will be what, this is your T. Either you say AD, either you say this AD, or you say this BD. Okay, these are parallel, so we can say this as T. Okay, because AD is a T, so BD will also be the T. Okay, this is your T, means thickness. This is your R. This angle is your R, from this to this. Okay, from this to this is your R. And then if you will meet this line, like there's something like this, and this incidental ray is going like this. Okay, and normal is this. So what, this is your angle of incidence, so this also will be your I. This should be I, right? Yes or no? This should be I, no? From vertically opposite angle, this should be I. Yes or no, Sophia? Hello?
Yeah.
This should be I or not? Yeah, here. This is your normal. This is your incident ray. Okay. So this is going, and if what means, if we are not going to let it refract, so it will go just like that only, na?
Yeah.
Right? If you just like that only, so it will be what? So if this is your I, angle of incidence, so it will be also I.
Yeah.
Right? So this is what it is. Here, this is our I, right? This is our I. So this angle, this whole is also an I. Will also be I. Will this be or not? Yes. Will this be I?
Which angle?
This is forming vertically opposite angle, no? This is your.
Yeah. Yeah.
See how to show you. Can you see this cursor?
Yeah.
So this is your incident line, right? This is your incident line,
Yeah.
and this is your normal. Okay, this perpendicular distance, this perpendicular ray is the normal. Okay, so if this is forming I, if this is forming I, then this whole angle will also form I, because it will form vertically opposite angle. And since this is angle R, this the red one is the angle R. This is the angle R. So what angle will it be? This angle, what angle will it be? Will it be not I minus R? This whole is I, this whole is I, and this is your R. Okay, so what it will be? Only this, I minus R. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Okay. So this will be I minus R. Okay. Now what to do? We have got this thing. No, this I minus R. We have got this I minus R. Okay. Now, now the sine I minus R is what? Is this? This is your lateral displacement. Since this is your lateral displacement, right? If you see this, this triangle, okay. So you will see key. Where is called A? Oh yes, yes. So if you see this sine I minus R, so what it will be? Actually, uh, let me draw it somewhere else. Okay, this is your triangle. This is your triangle. Okay, so this is your B, this is your A, and this is your C. This is your L also. Means because this is your lateral displacement. This is your lateral displacement. This is your lateral displacement. Okay, so this, they taking this triangle, this B and A and C. Okay, B is A B C. So we'll be having this angle, this angle as we are having I minus R. Okay, so sine I minus R will be what? Sine I minus R will be what? Will it be like L by AB? Will it be this L by AB? Because this will be what? Perpendicular upon hypotenuse, right? For this angle, this is the perpendicular for this triangle, and if you are taking this angle B as, if you are considering angle B, then what will be the perpendicular? Perpendicular will be L. Okay, it will be L by AB. Fine, it will be L by AB because AB is the hypotenuse and L is the perpendicular. So P by H, and P by H is what? L by AB. So sine I minus R. Okay, so sine I minus R is what? L upon AB. So for AB we have got what? For AB we have got L upon sine I minus R. Okay, this is our first equation. L upon sine I minus R. Okay, now for cos R, what we are going to take? Now for cos R. Cos R here, where is it? Cos R. Yes, this cos R, it will be what? Yes, for cos R, if we take this triangle, wait. I have to make it again. So this is why I was avoiding this thing because it was already there. So if we are going to take this, let us name the same, like it's a BDA. Okay, it's D, and it's A. Okay, let us take this triangle BABD. Or you say BDA. You better say in ABD. Okay, so for in triangle ABD, cos R, what we are going to get? Cos R. For cos R, we'll get, this is, we are knowing that this BD is T, right? This is the thickness of the slab. So this will be what? This is what? Base by hypotenuse, right? This is base by hypotenuse. So base is what? For if you are taking angle R, the base is T. Obviously, or we say it's BD upon what? Upon hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is what? Because since this is making 90 degree, so hypotenuse will be obviously AB. So AB will be the hypotenuse. Okay, so cos R, we are going to get cos R as what? T by AB. Okay, T by AB. So here also we have got AB value as L by sine I minus R. And here also we can have AB value as T by cos R. Okay, T by cos R. So can we, this is our first equation, this is our second equation. Can we equate these two equations, Safia? Can we equate these two equations? Equating first and second. So what we'll get? We'll get, first one was L by sine I minus R. L by sine I minus R. It will be equal to T by cos R. So we will get T sine I minus R upon cos R. This is what we want to have. Lateral displacement. Have you got this point? Let us write for sine R also very clearly. So just as we have written this for ABD, for cos R. So this will be our I minus R. Okay, are you getting, Safia?
Yes, ma'am.
So this will be our I minus R. And if we are taking this triangle, means this B, this point is already B, this point is already A. So let us take this as D. So this is our 90 degree. So if we are going to take sine I minus R in triangle, what triangle it is? ABD. Sine I minus R equal to what? It will be perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So it will be what? It will be perpendicular is what? Sophia, it's AD, and hypotenuse is what? Hypotenuse is what? AB. Okay? Hypotenuse is AB. AB is common here for both of the triangles. AB is hypotenuse for both of the triangles. So it is common. Okay? AB is hypotenuse. Okay? So we are having AD as L and AB as what? AB. AB as AB. So we are going to have AB is equal to L upon sine I minus R. This is our first equation. So it's very clear. Here in this this is your starting and this is your next step for triangle ABD for cos R. So from both of them we are getting what? We are getting what? AB. From both of them we are getting AB. Okay. So we will equate these two equations, equating 1 and 2. So have you got it, Safia? First you need to first you need to um, calculate it for what? For sine R, sine I minus R, sorry, sine I minus R, and the next step is for cos R. So we'll be having two, and all of them will be equal, should be equal to AB and AB, so that we can, and AB is nothing but this. Okay, this hypotenuse of both of the triangles. This is the common hypotenuse of both of the triangles. Okay, so this will be what? Our common ray. Okay, AB. And we'll equate these two equations and then we'll get this as L. T sine I minus R upon cos R. Okay, fine. And this is the question. And just we need to put the values in this question. Okay, we need not to do anything, only we have to put the values. Okay, is it fine, Sophia? So on Friday we are going to have test next Friday. Okay, okay, then bye for today.